Let us begin our exercise 3.1. First question is, write all the factors of the following numbers. What we have to write? We have to write the factors of the following number. First number is 24. What are the factors of 24? Let us see. 1 will be the factor of every number. So 1 is the factor of 24. 2 is the factor of 24. 2 into 12 is 24. Then after 2, 3. 3 into 8 is 24. 3 into 8 is 24. Then 4 into 6 is 24. 4 into 6 is 24. And 5's table 24 does not come. And 6 table 24 comes 4 times. 6 into 4 is 24. 6 into 4 is 24. Here now repetition comes. Here also 4 into 6 is there. Here also 6 into 4 is there. So we will not write this step here. Now what are the factors of 24 are? Factors are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. How we have to calculate it? First, 1 is the factor of every number, and 24 itself means the given number itself is the factor of every number. So these two are the first and the last factors of the given number, and we have to find the other factors. So here we have seen 2, 3, 4, and after 4 the repetition starts. 6 into 4 will come. Therefore we have to stop here and we have to write the factors. Now we got the factors and we will write the factors here. Let us see the next question. Next question is 15. 15 is the number. We have to write the factors of 15. So 1 into 15 is equals to 15. In 2's table 15 does not come. It comes in 3's table. 3 into 5 is 15. Now after 3 in 4's table 15 does not come in 5 table 15 comes. 5 into 3 is 15. But what we can see here? We can see here repetition is coming. Here also 3 into 5. Here also 5 into 3. Same numbers are coming. So we will not write this step. We will not write this step. The answer is 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Let us see one more question. Question is 21. Question is 21. So 1 into 21 is 21. 1 into 21 is 21. In 2's table 21 does not come, and 3's table 21 comes 7 times. 3 into 7 is 21. 3 into 7 is 21. Now in 4's table 21 does not come, and 5's table 21 does not come, and 6's table 21 does not come. It comes in 7's table. So 7 into 3 is 21, but we have already taken 3 into 7. So we will not write this step. So we got the factors of the 21. What are the factors? 1, 3, 7 and 21. These are the factors of 21. Now try to solve the other questions given in your exercise 3.1. Try to solve them in your copy. Now second question is, write first 5 multiples of. What we have to do? We have to write the first 5 multiples of given number. First 5 multiples of. Numbers are, first number is 5. 5. So first 5 multiples means we have to see the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 2, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. These are the multiples of 5. Now try to solve the other questions. Only 2 more questions are there. You have to find the multiple of 8 and you have to find the multiple of 9. Now next question is match the following. Let us see the question. First is 35. 35. What will be the matching of 35 here? We have to see the next column. Multiple of 8 is 35 multiple of 8? No. Multiple of 7 is 35 multiple of 7? Yes. In 7's table 35 come 5 times. So the answer is for first one the answer is B. So here we will write first match. We will write first B. 35 is a multiple of 7. Now next is 15. Next is 15. Multiple of 8? No. B is already we have seen, so we will not see now B. Now see multiple of 70. 15? No. Factor of 30? Yes. 15 is factor of 30. In 30s, 15 is a divisor of 30. We can see this. 15 is the divisor of 30. In 15's table 30 comes 2 times. So 15 is the divisor or factor of 30. So factor of 30 is 15. Answer is 2. The answer is D. 2's answer is D. Now third is 16. 16 again we will start from A. Multiple of 8. Yes, 16 is the multiple of 8. In 16's table, in 8's table 16 come 2 times. So for third the answer is A. For third the answer is A. So A is also 1, B is also 1 and D is also 1. Only 3 options are remaining here. Now fourth question, 20. We have to see 20 multiple of 70. No, 20 is not the multiple of 70. Factor of 50. No, 20 is not the factor of 50. Factor of 20. Yes, 20 is factor of 20. 20 is factor of 20 means the given number is the factor of itself. So it is correct. Fourth F. Now 25. Multiple of 70? No. Factor of 50? Yes. 25 is factor of 50. 50 comes 2 times. So 25 is factor of 50. So for fifth answer is E. Only C answer is not used here, as all the options we have used, we have seen. Now let us see the next question. Question is find the multiple of 9 up to 100. We have to find the multiple of 9, multiples of 9 up to 100. Multiples of 9 up to 100 we have to find out. Now we will write the table of 9. 9 into 1 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. 9 into 3 is 27. 9 into 4 is 36. 9 into 5 is 45. 9 into 6 is 54. 9 into 7 is 63. 9 into 8 is 72. 9 into 9 is 81. 9 into 10 is 90. 9 into 11 is 99. 9 into 12 is 108. But what they said us, we have to calculate up to 100. Means we will not exceed from 100. But 108 comes after 100, so we will not take this step. We will not take this step. Up to these steps we have to calculate. So the answer is, what are the multiples of 9? Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. Up to 100 we have to calculate. So 99 will be the last step. So we have seen all the questions from exercise 3.1. Now we will move on further and we will see in our next video about prime number and composite numbers, and we will see the divisibility rules of all the numbers. So we will see in this in our next video. Thank you.